is probably my favorite country I've ever been to. From the people to the landscapes and also the food, it's nothing short of magical. It's where I got engaged, and it was the first country I ever traveled to abroad. So it comes as no surprise that St. Patrick's Day is one of my favorite holidays. While there is absolutely nothing wrong with a shot of Jameson and a pint of Guinness, I wanted to utilize some other less popular Irish spirits for my St. Paddy's Day cocktail. Also, you'll want to stick around till the end for a bonus hangover smoothie recipe. Irish Mist, which has fallen into cocktail obscurity, is an Irish whiskey liqueur that has beautiful honey and spice notes. It pairs beautifully with Writer's Tears, which is my Irish whiskey of choice. It has a deeper flavor profile than other Irish whiskeys and is made from 100% barley. When I was coming up with this drink, I had a mint julep in mind, but I wanted something to also pair with the honey notes from the Irish Mist and the whiskey. Tea and honey go hand in hand, and to make this drink look even more festive and also add some earthy notes, I'm adding matcha to this drink. To play up the almondy character of the Irish whiskey, I will also be incorporating Orgeat or almond syrup, which I have a video on how to make that I will link in the description box below. Also, adding straight matcha to a drink is not the easiest thing to do. Oftentimes you are left with clumps of bitter green tea that float around the top of the drink. To get over this hurdle, I will be incorporating the mint and matcha elements into the Orgeat. To make the mint matcha Orgeat, I am first going to add a half cup of Orgeat to my blending container. Next, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of matcha. And then around 10 to 12 mint leaves. Now I'm just going to use my immersion blender and blend until it all looks fairly homogeneous. There is still going to be some specks of mint visible, and that's okay, but I do want to remove some of the larger particles. So I'm going to strain them out using a fine mesh strainer. This stuff tastes amazing, and the color is so pretty too. I didn't want to have to use food coloring, so I'm really pleased with how it came out. Now that our mint matcha Orgeat is ready, we can go ahead and start building the cocktail. To my shaker tin, I'm first going to add 1.5 ounces of the mint matcha Orgeat we just made. Next, I will add 3/4 ounce of Irish Mist. And finally, 1 ounce of Writer's Tears Irish whiskey. Now, I'm just going to add the ice and give this a good 10-second shake. I'm going to double strain the cocktail into my favorite Waterford crystal coupe. For garnish, I'm simply going to lay a single mint leaf on top. And here it is, my St. Paddy's Day cocktail, Tea for Tears. This turned out so well. It reminds me of a grown-up shamrock shake. It's minty, it's earthy, it's a little bit sweet but not too sweet, And the whiskey and Irish mist works so beautifully with the mint and matcha orgeat. I will definitely be making lots of these for St. Patrick's Day this year. And if you don't end up using all the orgeat that day, you can use the rest to make this really tasty and healthy smoothie for the next day. For the smoothie, I'm first going to add a half a cup of almond milk. You can use whatever milk you like. Next, I'm adding 2 ounces of the mint matcha orgeat, a little drizzle of honey, 1/8 teaspoon of spirulina, 2 frozen bananas, 1 cup of packed spinach, half an avocado, and about 4 mint leaves. Now I'm just going to blend all of this up until it's smooth. Then just pour it into a glass, garnish with some mint, and enjoy. And to borrow a phrase from my Irish grandmother, you'll be a pig's foot in the morning. I hope you get a chance to try this cocktail, and the smoothie too. Both were excellent, and I am looking forward to trying out other drinks with the mint matcha orgeat combo. Have a wonderful and safe St. Paddy's Day, and see you all again soon with another cocktail video.